This is Shoei XR-1100 Capitan. Bought it from the British store helmetcity.co.uk. It was cheaper than buying it in Poland. Bought it with Shoei CW1 dark smoke race visor, which is installed. Helmet came with this transparent white visor, which I just removed since I'll be just putting this for night riding. So it's out, and the smoke dark is installed. Helmet has a vent, big vent on the front, the chin vent, and 6 vents on the top. One is on each side, and on the back it's a little hassle probably to open and close them while riding, because you need to do 6 vents. There's a nice spoiler on the back. This is the chin cover, could be removed. Since I bought it in UK, I have a double D ring. It doesn't have the ratchet like in the other countries, like in Poland for example. On the side is a system which basically locks the windscreen, the shield, so when you ride it cannot be open, or this position allows the air to go in for defogging, and this is neutral position. I also bought whisper strip, which is really nice and soft. This goes underneath. I'm not gonna put it right now, but basically goes here, and this goes around your neck tighter than this is. The helmet is pretty quiet. It fits my head better than the GT-R. GT-R has the pressure points for me on the head in those 2 places here, and this helmet fits perfectly. It's a medium size, 57 to 58 centimeters. And of course there's a pin lock system which came with the helmet. I have not installed it yet. I will install it probably in the next video to show people how to install it too. And one more time, XR-1100 Capitan. This is the graphic. The weight 1365 grams, just the helmet, and with accessories 1400. This helmet is Snell rated and DOT rated, and the GT-R does not have the Snell rating, and I really like this design. And also the bag came with the helmet. It's really soft inside. This can be used to clean the visor. And that's it.